Okay, buddy. Yes, coach. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, we'll get him next time. Okay. How you feeling? Yeah, that was a dumb question, I guess. How do I think you did? I think I love and I'm proud of you always. I also think that you made some mistakes out there that I haven't seen in a long time. And I think you got a little overwhelmed and you weren't able to recover very well. And so that made for a really bad game. And I know you can do better, but we're already at the end of the season. And that was it, you know? Listen, I know if you don't want to talk about it right now, we don't have to. But at some point, we're going to have to get ahead of it for next season, you know? If you still want to play, we can go and talk to your coach together and make a game plan up, and I can work on it with you for the summer. Or I think it's a little bit more initiative if you go by yourself. You talk to your coach, and you tell him you want a game plan. It's going to look a little better, I think. But either way, I'm supporting you. I got your back, okay? And we'll get him next time. Listen, I got free pizza. They were just going to throw it away. Is that embarrassing? And body armor. We'll go eat and get our mind on something else, okay? I love you.